Presenting a pre-owned 2014 Ram 2500 Laramie 4-wheel drive. This 4-door truck has an 8-cylinder, 6.4-liter V8 engine, with 4-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Ram has less than 102,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, body side reinforcements, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, trailer hitch, and rear privacy glass.